As a Cal Poly faculty or staff member, you are continuously interacting with students. At times, you may encounter a student undergoing an overwhelming amount of stress. Distressed or difficult students may appear depressed, verbally aggressive, suspicious, suicidal, anxious, violent, under the influence, or in poor contact with reality. They may also have recently experienced a loss or a traumatic event, such as a sexual assault. For many students, one of the most significant factors in achieving academic and personal success is your ability to recognize and respond to their emotional distress. It is important to remember that most of these students are not really different from other students. Most are experiencing situational frustrations, pressures, conflicts, and in their own way are asking for help. If you choose to approach a student you're concerned about, or if a student reaches out to you for help, here are some suggestions that might assist you. Give the student your undivided attention. Ask to see the student in private, as this may help minimize embarrassment and defensiveness. Briefly acknowledge your observations and perceptions of their situation, and express your concerns directly and honestly. Comment on what you have observed in a straightforward and non-judgmental way. Strange and inappropriate behavior should not be ignored. Listen carefully to the student's concerns and try to see the issues from the student's perspective without necessarily agreeing or disagreeing. Attempt to identify the student's problem as well as your own concerns or uneasiness. Remember, it's okay to ask directly about difficult topics such as suicide. For example, you could ask if the student has thought about suicide or made previous attempts. Whatever the specific problem is, you can help by exploring options. Give hope by helping them realize there are choices and suggest resources such as friends, family, clergy, or counseling professionals. Be flexible. This may allow an alienated student to respond more effectively to your concerns. Involve yourself only as far as you want to go. If you are unsure of how to handle a specific student, we encourage you to consult with one of the counselors on our staff. A brief consultation may help you sort out the relevant issues and explore alternative approaches. More than 2,300 students get involved with counseling services at Cal Poly each year. Counseling Services offers individual, couples, and group counseling, medication, crisis support, referrals to community mental health providers, and information about helping friends in distress in a safe and confidential environment. Overall, when dealing with most students in a crisis situation, conveying your concern and willingness to help is the most important thing you can do. Your support, encouragement, and reassurance will be invaluable to a student in crisis.